It's recommended to keep your scripts updated, as new versions may fix security risks and other bugs. Select this icon. Here is a list of all scripts we currently have installed through Sofaculous. If there is a new version of a script, it will be indicated by this icon. Click it to begin. Click Upgrade. After a moment, the new files will be copied over. To complete the installation, use this link and follow the instructions for each installer. That's it! You now know how to upgrade a script installed in Sofaculous.